Guys, this is what happens when you park in our parking spots and you don't come here. It's not our fault, it's management. They'll tow you. Oh, it's raining. Going back inside. Yo, welcome back to the EVS. Oh, there's not, and there's the signs outside. Welcome back to the EVS vlog. Yo, my name is Haywood, aka Renaissance Man. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, join the EVS crew. Yo, let's just get started, okay?
What?
Turn off your polisher.
No. What?
We have a gift.
What now? What now?
Dude, I'm tired of looking at your vents and you're missing vents, so I gotta give you vents because your vents are terrible. So we gotta give you new vents.
Oh gosh.
Because his vents are terrible, and I'm tired of looking.
His vents are terrible.
There, Jesus.
What do you say, Will? Do you like them?
Yeah, Will.
Can we put them on for you?
Let's go throw them on, actually. Yeah, let's go throw them on.
That's how much we pity you, Will, that we're getting you free carbon fiber parts because we feel bad. Nice. Dude, that looks so much better.
They look good though.
Ooh, I got some.
Oh damn. Oh my god. There you go.
Way better.
Oh my god.
The guy at the W, he had to give me a piggyback ride.
Give you home. Piggyback ride.
Oh. Whoa.
So that's just a one little layer of carbon.
It's overlay. It's an overlay, right?
Yeah.
There's only 2 layers of carbon. Look, the rest of that's just plastic. It's definitely eBay.
Definitely is eBay.
Wait, is that real Vorsteiner?
It's real Vorsteiner.
Yeah.
600 right now. Cash.
God.
600 cash, and I know you bought it for that. That's all I'll give you right now. 600 right now for cash. Shake on this right now.
Oh shit. We're shaking on camera. Alright, there you go. Yeah! Or you can do Venmo, whichever.
Dang, 600. There you
Just
go.
like
How many times have I picked up this diffuser? This is the 3rd time I picked it up, and it's mine now.
You willed it into fruition.
I willed it, dude. You see, here's the thing. You know, you can't move all at once. You gotta kind of prime him into it, and then eventually you just make the move when you know it's right.
So I figured since Sean just bought Will's diffuser and it's brand new, let's just do an unboxing of it since I haven't done one yet. Let's do it. This is the last Vorsteiner GTS-V rear diffuser left in the world for the M3, the E92 M3. Okay, maybe I don't know if it's the last one, but this is the last one that was ever sold though, for sure. So they stopped making this diffuser, it's discontinued. So we have it here in still mint condition. So we're gonna do a quick little review of it, or a little unboxing, I guess, or just quick look. So before we get to that, I just wanna show you, when you buy the diffuser, it comes with this little bag here, and just a bag of hardware. So you have a adhesive promoter, you have the 3M automotive tape, which is the good stuff, and then it comes with a few screws and some washers as well for your mounting. As you can tell, of course, just like Vorsteiner standards, weaving looks awesome. So I'm gonna try to get close up so you're gonna see the straight weaving. I mean, it looks great pretty much everywhere around, which is what you have come to expect from Vorsteiner. So from what I understand, Vorsteiner has discontinued most, if not all, of the carbon fiber pieces for the E92, E90, E93 series. Clear coat's great, it feels nice and thick. So this is the back side, right? This is the side that faces the bottom of the car. So let me show you the top side. This is what it looks like when it's actually on the car. I like this design because it's super aggressive. I think Vorsteiner has a version where it's just like a diffuser that's just from here to like here, just around the exhaust and not the ends, and that's fine, but I like having a diffuser that just has a little bit more presence to it. So up top here you have Vorsteiner badge, which you can remove if you just want to have a cleaner look, and inside you still have the Vorsteiner sticker of authenticity. And it's really cool because as you can see on the back side, it's carbon fiber throughout. Unlike some cheap carbon fiber where inside is plastic or fiberglass or anything like that, this is actually carbon fiber all the way through. So if you want Vorsteiner for your car, hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Let us know what you need, and since you're a part of the EVS crew, we'll take care of you. As you guys saw yesterday, we have the Model X that we're working on. The hood's already done, looking good, looking factory. We're now getting ready to wrap the rest of the car. As you can tell, this is probably one of the cleaner, simpler colors that we've done. And it's nice because this is a great option. A lot of people think that when you vinyl wrap a car, you gotta go crazy, you gotta do really cool colors, and you can, and it's nice to do that, but this is also a great alternative. If you can't get the color you want from factory, you can get something similar to it, you know? So, I'm not gonna lie, it's kinda cool to have you back in this environment where you belong, you know?
Not really.
What do you mean? So you know what this means, right?
Next week.
What do you mean next week? No, it's now.
No!
But stop being a little. Just a tip. Just a tip. Just a tip. With me. Will, stop hiding. Stop hiding. You know, once I play the intro, you have to do something. You know that, right?
When you want to take awesome phone photos, you're gonna need one of the two or both. Awesome camera, awesome phone. Same thing with the iPhone. Yes.
So Sean's gonna be doing a gold package from Ceramic Pro while Sean. So Will is doing a Ceramic Pro gold package on the Lamborghini. We're gonna be Clearbra the full front end with Clearguard Nano. So the full hood, the fenders, the front bumper, the mirrors, the headlights, you know, the usual will be protected. That way this thing can go down the streets without, you know, getting any rock chips and things like that. You know, when Sean was back here, he was talking mad poop about your cleaning abilities.
He also messed up all my stuff. As a detailer, you want to keep everything separate. But as a rapper, it's the opposite, because you don't give a
Guys, as you know, the Jeep left is going to Rizvani to do the conversion and everything, so we miss it. Well, I miss it terribly, but until then, we still have to fill that space in the showroom, right? Guess what, guys? We did. Let me show you what we got, guys.
Is that a Supra?
You should pay me for the content I give you.
Guys, what do you think? The brand new Toyota Supra. Toyota Supra. I'm not gonna go into the specs of it because honestly, you guys can find it online. There's a bunch of other people who are talking about it anyways. I don't want to regurgitate all that stuff, so I'm just gonna kind of do a little quick walk around, point out some of the things I like about it, and just, you know, show you what it looks like, because now we have it in the showroom. First thing, of course, that stands out to me is the aggressive front lip spoiler. You guys know I love this little fin thing at the ends. It just makes it look so much more aggressive, especially for a car like this. It's, you know, it's kind of bubbly, right? So having something like that just adds a little bit of aggressiveness to it, a little bit of like, don't. It's slightly bigger than I thought, but it is still small. Of course, the red caps, because this is the launch edition. I think wheels should look pretty decent on this car. The concavity doesn't look too bad, but I could be wrong. I'm gonna have to look into that. Ooh, I like that. That's kind of cool. Right when you step into this thing, it immediately feels like a BMW. For example, the shifter. Carbon fiber in the middle, cool. You can't go wrong with carbon fiber when you don't know what to do in the middle, or you don't know what to do or what to put in a certain place. Just throw carbon fiber. You're good to go. Oh, that's cool. 292 of 1500. Oh man, I feel so special. The seats are cool, nice and red. Overall, it has a really clean look to it. It's not too crazy. Overall, I think this is nice. This is a nice setup. So we just got this car in. It's a client's car. We're gonna talk to the client and just see what he wants to do, what projects, what services, what products he wants. And once we get that finalized, I'll get back with you guys and we'll run down the list of everything we're gonna do to this cool thing. So guys, if you want to see how much vinyl you need to wrap a Model X like this is how much you need. Minus the hood, of course, as the hood's already on. But yo, look at this. Labeled meticulously, cut appropriately, ready to go, ready to be transformed. Yo, sand guard is looking good on the AMG GT63. It's coming. So this is what it looks like on the side, looking good. Got the emblems off so we can get a nice clean wrap underneath it. And yeah, we're just working, we're moving. Oh, and the front bumper is done too. Yo. Okay, that looks mean. That looks so mean. Look at this vent. Look how mean this vent looks with this satin guard. Ugh. Quick update with what we're doing with the Model X. As you can see, we have the vinyl on the doors. And as I mentioned in the previous vlog, we took off the chrome trim on the door, and look, this is why we do it. So then we can wrap this edge here. See this edge? Obviously you won't see this because this is where the chrome piece goes, but by wrapping over it, it looks so freaking factory, doesn't it, guys? Are you done with this car? Is that why it's over here?
Yeah, it's about to get paint protection film.
Paint corrected the whole thing?
Yeah.
Ooh, no wonder it's so shiny. Did you lick it all over too, by the way? Oh.
It's clean.
Look at the reflection of the light. It looks great. Guys, this is what happens when you park in our parking spots and you don't come here. It's not our fault, it's management. They'll tow you. So we have to see it right now. Oh, this is going to be good. And it goes. Who would have done such a thing? Thanks for coming. mean, like the sign literally says no parking, reserved for EVS Motors clients only, unless you want to get your car towed, costing a lot of dollar sign, exclamation point. I'll make this quick before I get rained on. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, join the EVS crew. If you want to work on your car, hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Let us know what we can do. If you're part of the EVS crew, we'll take care of you. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.